they have come out with a carbon fiber lightweight portable chair that actually weighs 26 pounds. That's without the battery. If you add the battery, it's 3 pounds, so it's still under 30 pounds. We've had it for a while. It's been a very nice unit. Got a lot of good feedback from our customers on it. The portability is the key to this. Everything is so lightweight. Most people are not going to have any problem, taking it and putting it in a trunk of a car. I mean, I literally can take 2 fingers and lift this up. When you're compared to most of the other power chairs on the market, they disassemble or they fold up, and even when they're doing that, they're typically in the 40-pound range. So this unit is 26 when you take the battery off. So it's really lightweight. There's not really a lot on the market. I'm gonna go over a couple of little specs and then we'll get into a little bit more detail. Your rear tires are 10.6 inches, so large rear wheel tire. Your front are 6.5. You'll see that it has a 6 to 8 hour battery charge is how long all it takes to charge it. And it has a travel range of right at 10 miles.